what are you really grinding for, right? Like, why are you really working for what you're working for, right? Like, what are you working towards? And the reason why I ask you that is because, so not too long ago, y'all know I had a Maserati, right? I used to post it a little bit. Nice drop top Gran Turismo joint, you know what I mean? And I love that car, I ain't gonna lie. But it did have some problems though. You know what I mean? Had some issues with it, so I wanted to get rid of it. And then also, I wanted some liquidity, right? Because we were buying a new house down in Orlando, and I wanted to make sure we had some liquidity after paying the down payment and all that, right? So after I sold it, you know what I mean, and we got settled in or whatever, I was like, bet I want me another luxury car again, right? And but I thought about it for a while. I talked to my homeboy, Mr. Wealth Hacker, shout out to him. I mean, I spoke to my wife about it, and we really decided was, you know what? And really what I decided, really after talking to them, I decided that really that can wait. You know what I mean? Like, I was looking at this Bentley, and I was looking at another Maserati too. And eventually I'll probably get them next year. You know what I mean? But I realized, like, dog, why would I go and get this brand new luxury car? It's probably gonna be about $1,000, right? Because $1,000 a month I'm gonna pay. Because I don't never get no brand new ass luxury cars anyway. You know what I mean? I like the value, you know what I mean, go down on them a little bit, then I get them because they're exotic cars. So it's nice whether you get the newest year or not. You know what I mean? So I was looking at this drop top Bentley, I was looking at this drop top Maserati. And then it hit me. I'm like, dog, I'm pay about $1,000 a month for this car. Then another $1,000 probably for the insurance. So you talk about $2,000 a month. And it's like, what did I really get? Like, I wasn't even really I ain't really care about those type of cars. For real. I really grew up a Cadillac, man, because my daddy was, right? And it's like, why all of a sudden did I even get into that? And I'll be honest, my son definitely influenced me because he into cars. And like, I kind of want to impress my son and show him, hey, your daddy got money like them rappers too. You know what I mean? So I wanted to show him because I ain't want him to think, yeah, I'm all this talk, but I can't. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, well, you say you rich as them, daddy, or you say you know business, but Lil Baby and them got all this money flashing, or Lil Baby and them driving this. You know what I mean? Or whoever, whatever rapper, not just Lil Baby. Lil Baby's actually one of the good ones. You know what I mean? From the new ones. But anyway, because he talk money. You know what I mean? He don't really talk a lot of that gang stuff, at least from what I can hear. But anyway, so then that's when it hit me like, damn. Like, I got into business, I got into the wealth building and trying to get money in particular because I wanted to help my family. Like, my main goals was, I ain't want no goddamn job, right? I wanted to live off of passive income and just have my freedom and then to help my family, right? And not just like legacy wise and leaving stuff for my kids and grandkids. No, I wanted to help like my family now, like my extended family, my mom, my dad, my aunts and uncles if I can, my cousins, everybody, brother and sister, you know what I mean? And so, and I've been doing that, but it just kind of hit me like when I went home the last few times, I started to recognize like, dog, wait a minute, I'm getting too far. You know, I'm getting too far here. And I know that sounds wrong, but what I mean is like, I ain't never get into this for that. Like, I don't want to just, when I go home to Portsmouth where I'm from, I don't want it to be such a drop off from where I actually live here in Florida. I don't want it to be such a drastic difference because it's like, damn, if my family, the people I care about, if they that messed up and I'm this good, most of that is because of the work I put in, right? That's pretty much what it is. But it's also like, wait a minute, damn, did I share everything? You know what I mean? All the information I'm supposed to share, did I teach them everything I know? And I know I always put myself out there, and I got all these fucking videos they could be watching if they really want it. But it's like, still, well, how else can I help? Some people don't want to be entrepreneurs, and that's really what I teach. I don't teach personal finance. I don't teach a lot of that. I teach business, you know what I mean? So if you ain't really trying to start no business, trying to make something for my son to get in the car, if you ain't trying to start no business, I really can't help you too much. Get in the front. Yeah, we get in the front. So I really can't help you too much. But anyway, and so then it hit me like, damn, that same $2,000 that I was about to spend on the video, close the door. But that same $2,000 that I was about to spend on this luxury car, I could be sending that to some family members. Like, you know what I mean? Like, hell, I could send, I mean, my parents $1,000 each a month if I wanted to for that same cost. And then on top of that, it was like, shit. Actually, I won't say that part. But, you know what I mean? Like, I could have been sending that to my parents, you know what I mean? And it's just like, oh, I could have sent it to whoever in the family that needed. Hell, I could have put that in savings and saving for a rainy day for somebody. Pay for somebody's funeral or something. Anything. You know what I mean? So it's just like, I had to question my motives of like, wait, what you really doing this for? You want to be flashy? You know what I mean? You want to show off? Because like, then it's like, show off for who? I don't even know nobody, you know what I mean, where I live. You know what I mean? I don't go nowhere but to the office and home. So it's like, okay, get this flashy car and show off for who exactly? Yeah, it'll feel good when I'm driving it. But is it really like making my life that much better? You know what I mean? So instead of going to get a big electric car, why not go get this regular old pickup truck, something that I can actually use, you know what I mean? Because ain't like I know a lot of people down here. So when I gotta move something, I can call somebody with a pickup truck and I need one. You know what I mean? So I can use, and I just kind of feel like a man should have a truck at all times anyway, right? But you know what I mean? I just had to like question my actual motives and be like, damn, if you really say you doing this for the family, then how the hell you just go get a Bentley? Meanwhile, so and so over there in the family struggling, can't even pay their rent. Or so and so over there, you know what I mean? They about to get their car repoed. Little raggedy thing they got from the buy here, pay here. You could have helped them with that until they got on their feet first, but instead you want to spend it on the Bentley. And again, if you want to do that, that's on you. But it's like, I ain't get into this for that. I don't give a fuck about all of that. You know what I mean? It's like, if I get it, it's cool, I'll enjoy it while I have it. But that wasn't the reason I started. The reason I started was so I can have my freedom and help my family. You know what I mean? So it's just, all right, well, I can't keep saying, make sure you practicing that shit. You know what I mean? Like, they say, if you really want to know what you value, look at your bank statement, right? And look at and see where you spent the most of your money. And if I look at mine, it was like, damn, all my money going towards me and my luxury, lavish lifestyle. My household, not just me, but you know what I mean? Me, my kids, my wife, which is great. But I also said I want to help everybody out. How much money I'm sending towards that direction? You know what I mean? And it's like $1,000 a month ain't gonna make or break me if I'm honest. So it's like, you know what? It would make or break a lot. It could have to change some of my family members' life. You see what I'm saying? So just a couple $100 could change. That could be huge for them. So like, you know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna make a different decision. I'm gonna actually do what I said I wanted to do, and I'm gonna see if I can help. You know what I mean? Then some people might say, well, is that helping or is it enabling? I know what I'm doing. Right? You know what I mean? I know what I'm doing. Trust me on that. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't gonna get into it. But I will say this, like, cause you know you got certain family members or certain people or friends or whoever around you where they'll try to take advantage of you, right? But see, this ain't that type of situation. You know what I mean? And so I'm just trying to make sure that I'm true to who I always planned to be. Put your seatbelt on, boy. I'm just trying to make sure I'm true to myself and not getting caught up in the shiny object syndrome. You know what I mean? Because you can change along the way, and sometimes them changes ain't always good. So I had to just kind of self-reflect, like, damn, what I'm really doing it for. So ask yourself, like, what you really doing it for, and then make sure that your actions really reflect that. Because a lot of motherfuckers say they're doing this for everybody else, but meanwhile, if you look at their spending habits only reflect them helping themselves. You know what I mean? So busy trying to stun on everybody else. And it's like, I'm a type person, not only I want to help you, but I ain't even gonna say nothing about it. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody got to know, you know what I mean, that I'm covering this on your behalf behind the scenes. Now, if you want to brag on me about it, cool. You know what I mean? Because I definitely like recognition. Everybody like recognition. You might not want to be famous, but you do want to be recognized for the work that you put in. I know I do. And I learned in, How to Win Friends and Influence People, the book by Dale Carnegie. I learned that in his book that everybody might not want to be famous, but they all want recognition. You know what I mean? Respect and recognition for sure. And I definitely like that. So it's like, and that's all I like. Like, all right, shit, you never got to pay me back, but at least thank me. You know what I mean? At least shout me out from time to time and let it be known, like, hey, AJ looked out. You know what I mean? But that's up to you. That's your character if you decide to do it. I mean, I can't make you do nothing. And I won't feel no type of way. I just know, all right, bet AJ, did you do it for the notoriety or did you do it because you wanted to? And so that's the other thing you got to remember too. Like, you know what I mean? Like, don't just get so caught up in again, it ain't about the fame. Now, recognition is one thing. I like to be recognized. You know what I mean? Acknowledged for my efforts. But I don't need the fame. You ain't got the, you know what I mean? You don't owe me forever. You don't owe me for life. You know what I mean? You don't owe me at all because I did it for me anyway. It was unselfish and selfish at the same time because it makes me feel good to help other people. You know what I mean? But anyway, that's all I got for y'all today, man. I just wanted to talk about basically analyzing your actions and make sure that they align with what you really say you want to do in this world. You say you want to help the world and you want to help the people, but it's like, well, you can do that every day. You ain't gotta wait till you get a certain amount of money or wait till you doing a certain amount of, like, whatever. You know what I mean? Like, you can do whatever you want to do in life. Start now. You can start making a difference now. You don't gotta wait for nothing. So that's my message to y'all today. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Comment if you can, I mean, got something to say on it. Hit like, subscribe, everything. What I think I already said that, but anyway, I'm AJ Summers. I'm out of here.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm going to go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.